Hi, and welcome back to This Bytes for You. As you can imagine, as a reviewer for PCs and PC components, I get asked all the time to do reviews on different websites that sell different keys for Windows 10, Windows 11, Office, all that stuff. And I don't feel comfortable putting my name behind most of them because chances are 10 days after you buy it, the key's no good anymore. You're never going to get a reply from their email, from a phone call, from nothing. You might as well just spend another 10, 20 bucks. And you're going to have to keep doing that every so often. So every time they contact me, I do a ton of research to find out if that site is legit and, if they're worth putting my name behind. I don't want to drag my name through the mud. So Softwarekeep reached out to me saying, "Hey Iggy, we'd love for you guys to do a video on Softwarekeep." And I'm like, yeah, I know, cheap keys and all that stuff. And so I have their sites and everything listed here. So the first thing I do is I go on a bunch of different sites. I do a Google search. Is Softwarekeep, for example, legit? So Softwarekeep here, 171 reviews, 4.5 stars. Better Business Bureau, the BBB, they get an A-. They have some problems, like every company, but refunded or every single thing is answered. They don't leave anybody up and they don't open the site just to have a BBB rating and then close it. Softwarekeep reviews on Trustpilot, 4.9 out of 5. Reseller ratings, 4.85. That's pretty awesome. And again, please feel free to take a look around here. And then we have Softwarekeep.com. Well, you ask, why Softwarekeep? First off, they're a 100% genuine Microsoft Gold partner, and they sell 100% genuine Microsoft keys. So what does that mean to you? Well, first off, that means all your purchases are 100% secured. For the keys that they sell that have the lifetime subscription, if something happens to that key, all of a sudden it doesn't work, they'll give you another key. And then they also sell the keys that are, you have to resubscribe every single year. And so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and buy Windows 11 Professional. And I'm going to go ahead and use my 20% off coupon. I'll provide it down below if you want to see that as well. So first off, I don't have an account. So let's go ahead and create an account real quick. Register. One sec. So my account has now been created, and while I do want to buy Windows Professional, they sell Microsoft Office, Office for Mac, different Office apps on their own, different Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, 2019 server, and server 2022, different antiviruses and other software, Panda, Veeam, VMware, WinX, DVD. You can buy a bunch of different stuff, not just Windows, but I want Windows. So Windows 11, and then we're going to go ahead and buy Windows 11 Pro. So here it is $99.99. So let's go ahead, buy that now. Yes, $99.99 is more expensive than those other websites that you have to keep buying keys for every month or so. But after a while, you're going to spend a lot more than you're going to spend here. So it kind of makes sense to just buy one and you're done. And then you don't have to worry the hassle of logging in. It's not activated again. Let's buy another key. Regular MSRP is $179.99. At $100, you save 44%. But if you use TBFY20, you get 20% off. And they do accept PayPal, Pay Later, debit or credit card, and Klarna. I haven't used Klarna myself, but the cool thing that I learned about Klarna is it's one of those buy now, pay later things, but I'm going to use PayPal. So then I'll just add to cart over here. I chose entering cart because that way I can enter my own key. Then click enter promo code TBFY20 and apply. Sweet. $79.99. That's pretty awesome. And then proceed to checkout. Continue to checkout. Let me enter in all my information. One sec. And now I'll choose PayPal. PayPal here. All right. And pay my balance. Complete purchase. All right, so that's pretty sweet. So they say that your order's been received. Then they give you how much time you wait till you get your key. On other websites, I have bought keys before, like $5 or $10, and you get kind of scared because you buy it. They don't tell you how long it's gonna take. It just comes whenever it comes. It could take an hour, it could take a week, maybe not a week, maybe a day or two, but still, you never know when it's gonna come. So it's kind of cool that they tell you there. Mind you, I am gonna be spamming F5 in my email, but regardless, it's right there. Okay, it just came in. All right, so here's your products. I still have 10 minutes left. Well, a little more than 10 minutes left. They sent it actually a lot quicker than they said they would. Now let's go see if it works. So we'll just grab that key over here. They'll give you instructions on how to do that over here. Nice. They also provide an ISO in case you just bought the key and you didn't have it installed just yet. You could download from here. Then they give you information on how to create a bootable USB device. I also have a video on how to do that as well. And how to configure your BIOS, how to change everything. So it's actually kind of nice. They give you a lot of good information. So since I have my key already, now I'm just gonna click start, type activation, go to activation settings, and let's go ahead, change that product key. Type it in here and next and activate. Now the real test. That's it. Windows is activated. We've activated this copy of Windows. We've gone through the entire process. I've shown you all the different reviews and everything. Now, mind you, everybody's going to be doubtful because I just bought from it, but stick around every once in a while. Come check out the video, check the comments. If the key goes bad, I'll go ahead and type in the comments below that, hey, the key went bad, they didn't give me a new key, or yeah, they gave me a new key. So check it out every so often and let me know what you think down below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, this is the first time I've bought from Softwarekeep before, but everything that I've read about them seems to be 100% legit. People that have had issues, they get their refunds, they get whatever, they get a new key. So, and then some people are just never satisfied. You know how that goes. So again, this is Iggy showing you Softwarekeep and how cool their website is to get cheaper software, 100% legit. Don't forget, use code TBFY20 to get 20% off. That's more than you can get off of the website. Pretty awesome. Iggy with ThisBytesForYou out. See you guys.